So if you are joining a company offline, okay, there are a lot of things which will be offered you. Like there will be some kind of money given to you to purchase a lot of things. So let's talk about onboarding process of US taxation in my company, and you will learn a lot of things. Okay. Hey folks, good morning. So let me talk about today after joining a US taxation company, okay, or after joining a big four, okay, what are the process and what are the things which you go through. I'm going to talk about deep in this. So stay with me for a few minutes and you will be knowing a lot of things before joining any company. Okay, let's talk about this. So cool. Welcome to the new video of learnings from me. Okay, so let's talk about after joining a company, after joining a US taxation company. Okay, what are the process and how we go through all the trainings and until the real works start. Okay, as I'm going to talk about the Grant Thornton where I joined, okay, as a US taxation tax analyst, okay, after getting selection of my role, okay, when they selected me, they sent me the offer letter, okay, they asked me to give some documents, okay, that is experience document, educational document. Gave everything, okay. When on the date of joining, okay, I'm talking about both, okay, offline on online because I have experienced both during my internship and during my job. So let's talk about offline, okay. So they call us on a certain date that hey, come and join from this date, okay. That is called onboarding process of 2 days. There will be orientation for 2 days for all the new joiners in a company, okay. So on the date on which they will call you, there will be a lot of people who will be joining for the different role. Okay, we will be sitting in a certain room. They will give the orientation. They will explain the real value of the company. They will explain the culture of the company, and they will explain few important tips and the rules, such as like harassments and all the different rules. They will explain you. They will hand over the kit. Kit will contain a laptop, okay, a keypad, a mouse, okay, and different accessories which is important for your job role, okay. And they will also gift you some cookies, some gift items, okay, and the t-shirt of the company, okay. On the first day of onboarding, they will explain you all these things, okay. On the and they will also offer you the pizza party and all on the first day. On the second day, again they will offer you all kind of breakfast, all kind of lunch, and you will be meeting your team lead, and you will be meeting your mentor, and you will be meeting your buddy. Who is buddy now? Buddy is a somebody, okay. Buddy is a somebody who is there to assist you, who is a little bit senior from you, who has the experience in the company and who can guide you in each and everything whenever you face a problem. My body was a girl and she was awesome. Every time I faced any kind of issue, be it for job, be it for any things, how to do, what to do, whom to reach, each and everything she used to tell us. And be in a training process, she was declared as the best body of the year, okay. So this was the boarding process, okay. Today 2 days has passed, then they will announce you 28 days of training process, okay. In training process, they are going to teach you each and everything which is required to perform a job. And I can guarantee you, in training you are not going to learn anything. I Same thing has happened to me. Okay, we didn't learn anything. We learned a lot of things, but when it came for practical implement, okay, there was a lot of things which we were missing. Okay, and that time, okay, the phase will be little hard, but you will be going through it, and you will then when training ends, okay, when it comes to practical, you will take time, okay. I took time. You will take time to learn a lot of things, okay. Every theoretical things will be coming into picture, and we will imply to that practical knowledge, okay, practical thing, okay. And that is going to work for you, okay. In training, whatever they will taught you, okay, you all will forget it for guarantee. But when you will start working, each and everything will be sorted out, and you will take time, but you will learn each and everything. So don't take stress on it, okay, that how you will do, because you have never learned about the use taxation. They are going to teach you. After the training, they will also handhold you, okay. Your body will tell you, your mentor will tell you, your manager will tell you, and you will learn lot of things, and everything will be easy once you will start doing it, okay. So this was the offline. When it comes to online, okay, that onboarding process happens on online, okay. They offers you the same kit, they will send you via courier, everything will be set up. Again, they will offer you for 28 days of training. Everything will be same as offline, but the difference is it will be like online, okay. And all the pizza parties and all, they will be giving you money for that, okay. When it's come to offline, okay, they also offer you some amount to purchase table, to purchase desktop, okay. They also offer you that your wi-fi reimbursement, okay. Each and everything will be reimbursed. So this was the short story of how onboarding happens and what you are required to do. But again and again, I would like to emphasize on the training process, that in training process, don't panic, don't think that you are not learning anything, okay. Because when you will start doing things in practical way, each and everything will be understood, and you will learn everything. It takes time, but if you stay on it, everything becomes easy. But if you fear, you will have to quit, okay. So don't panic, all the best, join it, enjoy it. If you don't enjoy it, change your line of work, okay. This is what we can do. This is the trial of in your early age of your career, okay. All the best.